So this is the purse. Let's get into it. Let's get all into the business. Hello, and welcome back to my channel, you guys. Welcome back to the Wrapped in Scraps channel. It has been a while, you guys. It's been a while. I've been gone for about a week. Had a lot of things going on at home, and so that's why I've been gone a week. A lot of family things to attend to. But I am back, and I am back to share with you guys my new love, my new precious. I'm super excited about this because I've been wanting it for a while now. I kept looking at it and I went back and forth, but here's what we got, okay? We got the, this is for my Mother's Day gift, by the way. I got this for Mother's Day. This is the Katy, Satchel, and Khaki #2 Coach purse, okay? Let's take a good look at her, shall we? She is beautiful. You can see the size. I'll put my arm here so you can see about how long she is. She is beautiful. Look at her. Just look at her. Beautiful, beautiful purse. Beautifully made. I thought I would just talk about it really quickly because, you know, there's some people who might want to snatch one up, okay? There's the bottom. See, it's got beautiful feet on there, okay? A very sturdy, well put together bag. Now, so like I said, I got this for Mother's Day. I actually ordered it maybe a week prior to Mother's Day just because I knew that if I waited until Mother's Day, it would be gone. Now, you could get this at the Coach outlet. I'm not sure they have this color anymore. I think the one they have is the lighter canvas color with the white handles. That's the one as of today, which is the 16th or 17th that I see on the website. They also have it in like a really, really dark canvas, a white canvas. They have it in a lot of different colors. They have one with pink handles, I believe, red handles. I mean, sky's the limit, you know, Coach, they do their thing. But I wanted to just share with you how cute this is. I love that there. I'm gonna open it up. Now, this is my favorite type of purse. I have a Dooney and Burke bag like this that I've had for years. And this is just, I love this style of purse because you can really open it up, you know. Inside, it's just the, you know, the little Coach cards. Now, I was gonna buy mine from the outlet, but like I stated, they didn't have this one available. And so I bought mine from Amazon, actually. And I paid $184 for mine. I think it was $20 shipping. Okay, so it came up to like $209 plus tax. So here is the tag for the purse. As you can see, it's normally $350. Okay, so in case those fathers and sons out there want to buy their mama a purse, always check for the outlets first. Okay, sirs, because that's where you get your good deals. All right, so this is how it opens. The zipper also has really nice detail on there. It opens up with 2 zippers. There's one on both sides. They both move pretty well. I'm pretty happy with the zippers. I usually just have them both here at the top like this. Okay, there is a zipper also in the back here. This one is a little bit more tough to unzip for some reason. This one, you gotta really put some strength into it, okay? That's a nice zipper. Has a nice opening back there, as you can see. And that's, I might as well show you the back of it since I started there. So these 2 little things, I guess that's for that to sit on, for the back of the hardware to sit on. I love that the crossbody straps hook on right here to this strap. I don't know if you can see that, to this strap here. And then as well, there's one on this side. It's like a little extra hardware piece on there. But it's a very nice little bag. That's how the sides look. Nice stitching. I'm a real anal person when it comes to stitching, especially if I had to pay a nice penny for the bag. I want the bag to be what it is that I paid for. So I'm looking all into everything. I want to see the stitching. I want to see it all. So there's the little label there. It's the inside of the bag. It just has one zippy on one side here. That's the paperwork that it came with. And it's just one zippy. I love it because it's small enough to just do your everyday errands with, you know, or if you're going to lunch with your girlfriends or friend girls as they now call them. If you're going to lunch and you want to take a cute little bag and be fashionable, you know, this one right here is it. I love it because you can hold it this way if you choose, or you can put the crossbody on, okay? So the crossbody works as well. Sorry, my legs are ashy. So this is a nice little crossbody here, all right? So you can see it's not that big. Here's my arm again. It's not that big, but it does have an adjustable strap here, so you can change the strap to what it is you want, okay? Again, the feet. Just a really, really cute bag. I really, really love it. So that's it right there as a crossbody. The strap for the crossbody, as you can see, is made very well. Beautiful hardware. Really, really nice. It has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different holes you can choose from for your adjustments. The handles, I love this part of the handle right here. So well stitched, so nicely put together. Just a beautiful bag. Look at that stitching. Look at all that stitching. It's just beautiful stitching. You see that? Look at the stitching. Okay, even on the sides. Just really, really well constructed bag. Again, the little Coach emblem here. I even like the little Coach. It says Coach right here on the sides. I mean, there's just so much detail into this purse, and I think that's one of the reasons I really love it. They put a lot of detail into this purse, and I truly, truly, Coach, if you ever listen to watch my video, thank you. I appreciate the good hardware, because it sucks. Even if you buy like a purse that's not, you know, what they would consider luxury. You buy a purse that's like not high end, you know, maybe Charming Charlie's or something like that. The purse sometimes does well. It's usually the handles or the hardware that does not hold up well. And so for me, with this purse, I know I'm gonna have this purse for years to come. I'm gonna take good care of it. I'm going to clean it well. That's another reason I got the canvas like this instead of the fabric. I have Coach purses, I have several. The other ones are fabric and they're harder to clean. I love them, but they're harder to clean. And so with this one, I really wanted to go with something I can just, you know, kind of wipe off, you know? So that is why I chose this purse. But you guys, it's such a cute little purse. It's great for date night, night on the town with your friends, to the club, to the grocery store, doctor's office, you name it. Okay, it qualifies. And that's what I love about it. It's so versatile. So you can dress it up, you can dress it down, casual wear or dressed up wear. Either way, it's gonna work. It's gonna rock your outfit. So I love it, and I just wanted to share it with you guys because I was looking for videos about this person. There's plenty of them out there, but since I bought one now, I figured it's my due diligence to go ahead and share it as well. So that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. I will be shooting more videos this week. I have several more that I have to get in there. We're gonna be doing some crafting this weekend. We're gonna be doing some DIYs this weekend. If you haven't already, please comment, rate, and subscribe. Hit the bell notification so you can be notified when I upload videos, because I'm really pretty sporadic at this time in my life. But I'm trying to get more on the schedule, but it's kind of sporadic. So hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I post, okay? Please, if you are still watching, please subscribe to the channel, okay? I truly appreciate you guys who have subscribed. Those of you who are watching, thank you for visiting my channel. I hope that you do subscribe. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Remember to stay loving you. Stay loving you. And I always say that because especially you moms out there, for you mothers, happy belated Mother's Day, first of all. Second of all, it is harder to be a good mother if you are not loving you, okay? Now, I've been a mother for over 20-something years, and I can vouch. When I take better care of myself, I feel like I do a better job mothering. If nothing else, I have more peace, okay? So stay loving you. It's okay to love you. Don't listen to most of society. Well, you know, you don't have a right to love it. Yes, you do. Yes, your kids come first. Your kids are supposed to come first, okay? But cut out some time for you. Don't do what most of us do, where we just spend everything's about our kid, everything's about our kid, and then the kid grew up and moved out, which has just recently happened to me not long ago. Get married, have a baby, whatever the case may be, and now you got to figure out how to live your life because your whole life was wrapped up in your children's life. Now, that's not my issue. As you guys know, I'm all over the place. I'm always doing something. But I know a lot of parents like that. I know a lot of women like that. I know a lot of couples like that. And then they're empty nesters and they don't know what to do with their time. They don't know how to spend time with each other. They don't even like each other. They were just partners in raising a child. Do not let your life slip by and you not enjoy it. Be the best mom you can be, but love you as well. It's okay to love you, mothers, okay? Fathers, y'all usually love yourself anyway. But just in case you don't, it's okay to love yourself, fathers, okay? So I'm a mother of 4, and I'm going to love myself. And one of the ways is this makes me happy. Do what makes you happy. It doesn't have to be something huge and grand. Just do the little things that make you happy. Take the time out to love yourself. It is okay to love yourself too. Now, don't be stingy and selfish where all you care about is just yourself. I don't like the stingy mamas. Don't do that. Your kids are important. You better love your babies. Otherwise, what is the point? Okay? And please don't have no baby just because of a man, because you want to keep a man. A baby don't keep no man. And all of us who have children already know that. Okay? So, anywho. So, you guys, I'm glad you enjoyed the video. I'm sitting outside in the courtyard right now, just enjoying the breeze. It's so breezy. I don't know if you can hear it. Maybe you can, but super breezy, and I'm enjoying it. I've got my hot tea. Well, I had my hot tea. Oh, it's way over there. I have my hot tea, and I'm just drinking my tea and enjoying the breeze and looking at my beautiful palm tree that needs to be trimmed and just enjoying my life. I'm enjoying my life. The kids are in the house. I'm watching them, though. I got one of my little Alexas with a little screen, and I got cameras in their room, so I see what they're doing. I'm watching them. But anyhow, so that's all that's going on. So yeah, so look forward to some DIYs coming. I'm going to be working on some stuff in my closet, my master bedroom closet, my closet. I got to organize my drawers in there, my jewelry, and all my accessories and all that fun stuff. So we're going to get into all that type of fun stuff. And I just got so much to do, you guys. I got so much stuff to do around this house. You know, when you buy a house, it's like you're never done doing things. But that's part of the fun, right? So that's what we're going to be working on. DIYs, home organization. I might even do a cook with me. So that is the purse, you guys. I love it. The color is amazing. The feel, the texture, the smell of it is wonderful. This is really like a nice little jewel of a purse to have for your forever closet. I'm going to do my best to make sure I really take care of this because I just truly love this purse so much. Now, speaking of purses, I would like to get the Louis Vuitton Alma bag, okay, in demier pattern, you know, but I just could not see to bring myself to spend it I couldn't bring myself to spend that amount of money on it. There has been times where I've had the opportunity to get it and I was like, I'd rather get this, or I'd rather get some new patio furniture, or I'd rather, you know what I mean? So this one, it's not gonna break the bank. You know, we spend $150 on a good outfit and maybe a pair of shoes if we can squeeze that into budget. But this is such a wonderful piece of an accessory, okay? It's brown. You can't go wrong with brown. Brown is like it's a great neutral, okay? And it definitely fits my I'm brown, it's brown, it works, okay? So I love this purse. I implore you to pick one up. Love the little emblem on the front, by the way. So that is the purse, you guys. All right, you guys, so that's about the purse. So now let's talk really quick, a quick little chit chat for those of you who watch my channel about my BBL, okay? I am getting a Brazilian butt lift surgery in July. That is my goal. It's in July on the 29th is when I'm supposed to have this done in Miami. Now, I got some other stuff that might be kind of in the way of that. We'll see. But that's the main goal. That's my apex. Now, with that being said, I've been trying really hard to lose weight, you guys. That's another reason why I haven't been really filming these last couple of weeks. I've been really in that gym, y'all. I've been busting my butt in that gym. Y'all would be proud of me, sis. Y'all would be proud of me. I've been working it out, okay? So I've lost about 16, 17 pounds thus far, which is, let's say, in the last 2 months, which is good. Like, I'm not going to complain. I've been really working hard. So about 16, 17 pounds, and I got about 15 to 16 more to go to where I'm at least kind of okay, satisfied with my size before I go in. Hopefully I can get that off by the beginning of July, and then maybe I can get off a little bit more by the end of July. That's my hope. You know, we've all got our dreams. But so that's what's going on. I'm just still gathering up supplies. Once I'm done gathering up all of the supplies, I will do a video on that for those of you who are interested in plastic surgery. So anyhow, that's what's going on. So that's why I haven't been on as often as I would like to here lately, because I've been busy trying to lose this juiciness off of my body so I can get my BBLN look snatched. As my oldest daughter would say, Mom, you gonna be snatched. Yes, ma'am, I want to be snatched. Snatch all the fat and pull and tuck and do everything you need to do to get it in the right place. Okay, so that next year around the beach time in the summer, I can be cute in my little one piece. I have no intentions on wearing nobody's bikini. That's just not how I rock. I will wear a one piece though, with some cute little shoes and a little shawl. Yes, I will. So that's my plan, is to look real, real cute by next year to my happiness, okay? It's not for my honey. It's not for anyone else. It's just for my little self. People who know me know I like me, and I like to look happy with me. Rather nobody ever see me again in life, I want to look happy with me and be happy with what I see when I look in the mirror. So that's just my personality. Anywho, enough chitter chatter. Look forward to those videos, you guys. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Sis, subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you can get these videos when I post them, because I'm super sporadic right now and I don't know when I'm gonna post them. Hopefully it won't be more than 2 to 3 days, but when I do, I want you to be ready and to be able to see it, okay? So subscribe, hit the notification bell. Okay, remember to stay wrapped in scraps. What does that mean, in case you are new to the channel? It means repurpose, recycle, reuse all parts of your life. The good, the bad, the ugly. Repurpose, recycle, reuse. When you're feeling a certain way about somebody, repurpose those feelings into giving or doing or forgiving, or, you know what I mean? If you have something in your house you don't like, refurbish it. It goes to all parts in your life. Your emotions, fix that. Take something old and turn it into something good and new. Okay, that's what I mean when I say wrapped in scraps. Like, wrap yourself in scraps. Rewrap yourself. Fix it. Nourish it. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so remember to stay wrapped in scraps. Meaning repurpose, recycle, reuse all parts of your life. Emotional, physical, mental. I'm trying to repurpose, recycle, reuse this fat from one location into my booty to another location, okay? That's part of being wrapped in scraps too. So all of this stuff, okay? Stay loving you. Can't love anybody else if you don't love you. Stay loving God, stay loving life, because we are still here feeling the breeze and the wonderfulness of the world. And I will see y'all next time. Bye, guys.